So I got a customer that was complaining about the outside unit making a loud noise. Thought it was the compressor, but it's not. I've already isolated it to be the fan, got the compressor unhooked. Gonna show you what it sounds like. Makes that noise and it gets louder and louder. And it's something bad inside the fan itself. We already checked the fan blade and everything. Fan blade checked out, so we're gonna change the motor. Changed out the old motor, got the new one in. It's not making any noises now. Sounds exactly how it's supposed to. It's just a fan motor. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful.